Oh my God, she's putting jam on her granola. Come on this little ride, this granola ride with me today. I don't know who I am. It's fine, who cares? Okay, so today we're making granola instead of spending like, what, $20 on a little bag like this big at the store. Thanks, but no thanks. Usually I go with Gwyneth Paltrow's quinoa flake granola. First I'm gonna do a little bit of research. Gordon Ramsay's granola.
The treat here is in that little baby.
He's using like honeybee honey. Like, come on, Gordon, get some better fucking honey. Rice. Oh, puffed rice. That's cool. I'm impressed. He wasn't overdoing it like he always does.
This is Chef John's
Chef
with chocolate granola.
For some reason, chocolate first thing in the morning is a little intense for me.
While you can't overmix this, you certainly can undermix it.
Oh my God, I love Chef John. I wish Chef John would make me some granola.
3 tasty takes on traditional granola.
Oh my God, she's putting jam on her granola. This is just wrong.
I'm going to add some banana.
Mashed banana? This is so weird. Oh my God. I don't want to start my day with a stomach ache. I'm just gonna do a pantry made based on the stuff that I have, the recipes that I just looked at, and I have quinoa flakes instead of oats. Let's do it. So I'm gonna do 3/4 cups of avocado oil, 3/4 cups of maple syrup. Now I'm gonna add in the 4 cups of quinoa flakes. Like Chef John said, you can never overcoat, but you can undercoat. I've chopped up about a cup of pumpkin seeds and a cup of walnuts. I'm gonna add them in so they can get roasted. And now a couple pinches of salt. I put some parchment paper down. I'm just gonna spread this out. Guys, this smells so good. I'm so excited about it. I'm putting it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, granola time. Now back in the oven for like another 15. Oh, beautiful. This looks ready to me. I'm just gonna chop up some dried apricots. The more the merrier. I'm gonna throw these in this bowl. Throw in some ground flax seeds, chia seeds, and some cranberries. This is the best breakfast because quinoa is a protein. So if I'm ever working out, I can have this first thing and it's just gonna fuel my workout really well.
Yeah, do you think Gwyneth is cool?
Okay, I feel like that's a trick question. I wanna hate her, but then when I like watch Goop and stuff, I kind of think she's kind of cool. She's like well educated and kind of like her vibe, I gotta say. I know it's like everybody hates her, but she's obviously like so pretentious with her like vagina perfume or whatever. Vagina candle that smells like her vag. Like, come on, eye roll. But I like this cookbook and she's Margot Tenenbaum. No one can ever take that away from her. I just want to give a shout out to Julia Tershen. She wrote these recipes with Gwyneth. I imagine she probably did more of the legwork than Gwyneth did.